Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, it's a strange weather going on. We are currently under storm warning in Saskatoon. The weather is really terrible since morning, and it's gonna be going on like this until tonight. With really high wind gust and with snow, with blizzard. It's really difficult to drive. The roads are slippery. Overall, the driving condition is not bad. We are trying to stay home and be safe. I want to give you guys an update in Saskatoon, Canada. We'll be in touch soon. Thanks for watching my video.